Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on the Airbnb website. Whether you're traveling internationally or simply prefer browsing in your native language, this quick adjustment will make navigating Airbnb much more comfortable and intuitive. First, open your web browser and head over to www.airbnb.com. Once you're on the Airbnb homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a globe icon sitting right next to your profile picture. This globe icon is your gateway to all language and regional settings. Go ahead and click on it to open the options menu. When you click the globe icon, a drop-down menu will appear with various settings. Look for the section labeled Language. Click on it to reveal a full list of available languages that Airbnb supports. This list is quite extensive, covering dozens of languages from around the world, so you'll likely find the one you're looking for without any trouble. Now scroll through the list until you find the language you want to use. Once you've spotted it, simply click on your preferred language. The moment you make your selection, the page will automatically refresh. Within seconds, the entire Airbnb website will now display in the language you've chosen, from menu items to search results and booking details. Here's a helpful tip. If you also want to adjust the currency displayed on the site, you can do that at the same time. Click on the currency option, which is located right next to the globe icon in that same top right area. A list of available currencies will appear. Select your preferred currency from the list, and just like with the language setting, the website will refresh and display all prices in the currency you've selected. This is particularly useful when planning trips abroad, as it helps you budget more accurately without constantly converting prices in your head. And that's it. You've now customized your Airbnb experience to match your language and currency preferences, making your browsing and booking experience much smoother and more personalized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.